Hello everyone, if you see my video earlier, you may remember that we don't have refrigerator almost a month because the old one doesn't work. This is the old refrigerator. I think it is 25Q or 25.5, and this is the last day we're gonna have it before the new refrigerator delivery, and the guy who deliver gonna take this away for us. Are you ready to see the new one? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Empty space first, and then ta-da, the Frigidaire 18Q. It is smaller. There are space in both sides, and I up to him. He the one who pays, so whatever he like, I like to. So the previous one bottom freezer and this one top freezer. Then I see inside the space is bigger than the look outside, and the foam in there, I don't know if it's supposed to be inside like that or it need to take out, but I can't figure it out how to get the foam out. Anyway, we use this refrigerator for a night, and no cold, no cool. Freezer never been freezer because of the meat all melted, and the bottom area also no cold at all, no cold. Then we contact Lowe's that we would like to return these and get refund. The guy came and set up a new refrigerator for us, but I told them to bring it back because we already ordered anyone. And the second refrigerator, I will show you the picture. LG 25Q never show up. At first they call for postpone the delivery day for the second time. The first time didn't show up on Thursday 16, and somebody called on Friday 17, postponed to 23rd, and on 23rd nobody show up. So we order from Home Depot, nobody show up. Then I contact them and nobody can tell anything. At the end, the second person I talked to suggests that I should cancel, and then I cancel. And then we went to Lowe's again and purchased this one, the third one, delivery on time, Frigidaire 20Q, bigger than the first one, but different location. Lowe's. We order from Lowe's too, but different location. We went to Lowe's nearby our home, but they don't have in store, so they told us where to go, and we went there and ordering it. At first my husband liked other refrigerator bigger, but we don't want to wait any longer because the one he liked have to wait for a month. And then no, the second choice is this one. It's delivery within 2 days. And he also purchased the ice maker. He will put the ice maker by himself sometime. And the freezer worked great. I read on the paper that this refrigerator will not produce ice, so in the freezer gonna be clean like we see here. We'll see. I haven't shopping grocery yet, since we don't have refrigerator, I haven't do grocery shopping at all, so the refrigerator pretty much empty. I like what we have now, a little bit smaller, but better than without refrigerator. The life without refrigerator is not fun at all. If you haven't seen the earlier videos, go check on them and then you will understand me why I said not fun at all without refrigerator. And this what I manage. I put every meat in the container, so easier when I need them take out the container, and also they will not stick on the surface or on the freezer. I will make another video talking about my opinion using the refrigerator with drinking water maker and also the top freezer and the bottom freezer. This is what our refrigerator currently, and this is LG refrigerator 25Q, which is bigger. I think it is the same size as the previous one we have, but never show up. Then forget it. Thank you for watching and listening to me. Have a good time and enjoy your summer. Bye.